Hey, it's Mr. Robert. Are you ever in this situation? Do you ever have a long list and you say, well, I want to deduplicate this, remove the duplicates of this? Well, there's a really simple way to do this, and it's a free Google solution, which is a replacement for Microsoft Excel. It's called Google Drive, and Google Drive includes these sort of built-in tools called Google Docs, which is like a Microsoft Word replacement, but even better, it has a Microsoft Excel replacement called Google Sheets, and it has a very amazing feature that not a lot of people know about, that is not even that easily done in Excel, but it's very well easily done in Google Docs. You go New, Google Sheets, and then we take this big long list, and what this is, if you're interested in some sort of behind the scenes, I went to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is very good about generating data. You can ask ChatGPT about like the top 100 most populated cities in the US. You can ask ChatGPT about the most affluent zip codes in the US. I can say, list me the 50 closest cities and towns near Tarlock, California by order of distance. You can just ask it anything like that, and here we go. It will just create that list for you. So imagine that. But anyway, long story long, I used ChatGPT to make a list like that of cities, but I kept going back and I kept saying, make me like coastal cities, make me cities with high median income, list me populated cities, and then I know there's some overlap, and even though I told ChatGPT to not repeat, it still did. So we can take all of this and right click and copy, take this big long list, put it into the new Google Sheet we just created, and we just paste it right in here, paste. And then here's the trick. Here's what you do. You close all this helping stuff, and you say data cleanup, remove duplicates. This is your secret. Data cleanup, remove duplicates. You put that in here, and you choose which column is like the duplicateness of it. So let's say you had like name, last name, email address, stuff like that. But in this case, we just have a single column. So we just clean it up by this one column, remove duplicates, and here we go. We remove 45 duplicate rows and 203 unique rows remain. You click OK, and then you can just right click and copy this back out. So that is my really quick 5-second solution to deduplicate a list using a little known feature in Google Sheets, which is Google's Microsoft Excel replacement. It's Mr. Robert saying have a wonderful day, deduplicating your data, and talk to you soon.